Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our last video, we have talked about the filing of New York State monthly sales tax return, and we have gone through the process of how we can file Form 810, which is the quarterly form where you need to report the sales by cities and by counties. Today, we are going to talk about another state, which is Kentucky State. But before we move ahead, I would request all of you to do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest sales tax information related to US taxation. So we are going back to the topic. So this is my report. The format and the process is pretty same, and that's the very straightforward return. You just need to have a total sales, the non-taxable sales, and the taxable sales, and the total tax amount. There are no cities and counties that you need to report on the Kentucky portal. But just want to give you some information about the Kentucky, that the Kentucky has recently changed their portal. Initially their portal was different, and right now there is a different portal. So let's see how we can file this return. So I'm on the portal now. You can see on the portal, so this is my portal. So on the up on the upside of these, I have these options, and this is my one of the clients that I work for. So I'm going to click transactions here. Now I will click file a form. That's the new portal for the Kentucky state. So here you want to select the account. So I'm going to file sales and use tax. Then I will select form type. So here you need to select the appropriate form. So for me, the proper form is this one. Now here I will select the original return, and if you want to file the amended return, you can select here amended return. So and the month that I'm going to file is May, so I'll click next here. So now here my total receipts, so total receipts, the total sales are this one. So my total sales are 8225.56, 8225.56, and then I have to fill the total deduction. So for deduction you need to have uh here you can see that you have these forms. So I'm going to click deductions, and I will add here my total deductions. I have the resale sales here, 2063.73. You can use any option, any of these options, whichever best suits to you. So I'm going to click sales here. Now I will just click calculate. So my total tax here you see is 369.71, 369.71. So I have these on my report as well. So they are gonna give me some discount, which is this total discount 6.47 is my discount, and we can call it vendors compensation. That's the name of the discount here. So I'm going to click submit now. Once I click the submit, it will ask me to populate the payment information, and once I populate the payment information, I will be able to submit my return and my payment. So this is very straightforward process. This is how you can file the Kentucky monthly sales tax return. If you have any questions, any suggestions, any comments, to let me know in the comment box. Thank you very much.